Hello! Welcome to another problem-solving video with Legacy Woodworking Machinery. I'm Chris, and today we're going to show how Legacy approaches one of the cornerstones of high-end woodworking, joinery. Precision joinery can speed up your assembly time and increase the lifespan of your projects. However, it can be very difficult and time-consuming when using traditional techniques. Let's watch how fast and easy John Hennon and Ed Bennett build a dining chair using a Legacy CNC. Without CNC, there are important questions to consider, such as, can a customer's budget and time frame for a project be met? If not, the job could be lost, or the builder could spend valuable time and money chasing those demands. With a Legacy CNC, there are many factors that can save you time and money to overcome this problem. For example, the CNC cuts joinery along any work surface, reducing the need to move parts around the shop from one workstation to another. Another is the ability to be more efficient with project materials, which can reduce material costs. Let's not forget that parts coming off a Legacy CNC are accurate. This reduces many human error factors and less bad parts are thrown away. Another factor is while the CNC is working, the operator can work on other processes at the same time. This can multiply a shop's production output many times over. Another question to consider is, without CNC, can the process of making this chair be repeated when this or another customer asks for it in 6 weeks or 6 months from now? Again, with a Legacy CNC, there are many factors that can overcome this problem. For example, complex joinery can now be included in the project, increasing its lifespan and quality. The ability to produce heirloom quality products quickly and efficiently can increase customer satisfaction, which in turn can increase your return business. Another example is the chair project files can be called upon to repeat the same parts as many times as needed. And last, the accuracy of CNC allows the parts to come off the machine ready for assembly. It took less than 4 hours to cut and assemble this chair. As you can see, the joinery made the assembly fast and easy. Thank you, John Hennon and Ed Bennett, for sharing your work. You can learn more about Legacy's CNC systems in the following ways. To learn about Legacy's product line and see which CNC system is right for you, visit our website at lwmcnc.com. If you have additional questions and would like to request a quote, call Legacy at 801-491-0010. In addition to producing the best problem-solving CNC in the industry, Legacy also teaches online CNC workshops where you learn how to program and use a Legacy CNC to its maximum potential. You can join our CNC community by calling or signing up on our website. To watch more problem-solving videos that focus on turning, sheet processing, joinery, molding, 3D carving, wrapped carving, inlay, and more, click right over there. Press the like, subscribe, and bell icon to receive notifications when new videos are released. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.